How to remove slow motion effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where your clip is placed. Make sure the clip with slow motion is already loaded on the timeline. Next, click on the clip to select it, then press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard. This will open the retime controls just below the clip. Now, you will see a speed value on the clip, like 50% or something lower than 100%. That means the clip is currently playing in a slow motion. Then, click on the small arrow next to the speed value. From the drop-down menu, choose Reset to 100%. This will instantly set the clip speed back to 100% and remove the slow motion effect. If you had any speed points added earlier, you can repeat the same process by clicking the arrow and choosing Reset to 100%. This will make the entire clip play at a normal speed without any changes. And that's it. Now you know how to remove slow motion effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.